Okay, here we are for an update of our aquaponics system that we have been working on in the backyard. As you can see, we have cut the top off to make it a little more even with our gravel, lowered the bell siphon. It's definitely not full of water right now. So what's left to do is basically plumb it correctly for the new height of the tank, fill it with water, and add some sort of strainer bucket to keep little fish out of our sump tank. But I plan on filling it up with some water right now just to make sure the bell siphon's working properly, because I really don't want to have to dig it back out for a third time. So I'm gonna go fill it up with water and I will be right back. One other thing that we did that I didn't include in the first clip was we piped the bottom ball valve into the sump pit for easier draining. Okay, we're back at the aquaponics system and we have filled up the main tank far enough to allow the sump to kick on. As you can see, the surge kind of made it tip to the side, so that'll be one of the things we're addressing with the strainer bucket, as well as keeping small fish out. So this should be filling up now. It doesn't go incredibly fast because we have the 3 1/2-inch lines for aeration in the bottom tank. Doesn't seem like there's much water in here right now, but we'll get there. You can see the tank's quite dirty. Going to need to clean that out. Now the reason we did 3 1/2-inch here with this manifold fitting is so when we add more grow beds we can just plumb them in there, and for now we're getting really quality aeration from the 3 outlets, as well as the surge isn't too bad filling up the top bed here. As you can see, there's a rock stuck in there, but the flow is pretty nice. There we go. So it flows pretty quickly. We may also need to get a smaller pump, as the deal on this pump may have been really good, but it tends to move quite a bit more water and use a bit more power than we were hoping. So I will check back in with you guys once that top tank is full, and we will demonstrate how the bell siphon is working. Hopefully it doesn't overflow the tank. As you can see, it's beginning its siphon. Come on. Yeah, that's looking really nice. And we did get just over the gravel up here, which isn't too bad. Maybe throw one more bag of gravel in. Quite hot though. Try to keep the gravel nice and even in here. But yeah, it looks like it's functioning the exact way we wanted it to. The height all looks good with the bell siphon, but again, it does fill up rather quickly and use a lot of power. So if we're going to be running this continuously non-stop, like I assume that it should be ran, we probably have to downsize our pump.